Hey, what's up, everyone? So today, Friday, May 9th, I'm just trying to go through recap for the day and also the week. As you guys know, I'm pretty new on this recording and posting on YouTube and Instagram. So unfortunately, I deleted the recordings for today's live session. But as you can see, I did finish the Apex account at $212. That was after a comeback from a $100 loss from this morning. Let me see right here. So it took about $126 loss on two contracts. Was looking for a breakout to the downside, and of course it bounced up. Then I took two contracts on the break up under the 15-minute orb and made $207 on the first two contracts. I had added another two contracts, sold one at $73, and I believe I sold another one for a little bit more. So in total it came out to like $212 on the day. So this account is at 50,400. I have brought this account back from $100 drawdown about a week ago. So this was just a slow build up again. Unfortunately, on the Top Step, I did take a $284 on my three Top Step funded accounts. I do have a personal daily loss lockout for beginners and new traders and stuff like that. I feel like this is the best option for you guys. That way, if it stops you from revenge trading and going on tilt. Especially when you see like you're losing like 100, 150, $200, and you're like, oh crap, like I can make it back on the next trade. Let me over leverage and size up or whatever. And it happens to everyone. I still do it sometimes, and this is just the best way to go about it. At least for me. And again, I would recommend that for like new beginner traders as well. Overall performance on this account last week. $520, winning trades, all 5 days green. As you can see, Tuesday and Friday were not that great. I don't remember what happened those days. I think there was like, probably some news or something that I wasn't really comfortable in getting in on. This week, as you can see, started pretty well. Then I was feeling a little bit like off on Wednesday. There was a lot of, I think the FOMC happened there, and I was losing money that day. I think I was like negative like $150. I came back, I ended up like positive $8, and I just let it be. And then unfortunately, these last 2 days or whatever, I taken a loss. Good thing I had like a winning day, so the week hasn't been that bad. So we're hoping for a better week next week. On these accounts though, we are up $941 times 3, trying to get these accounts about $3,000, and then take $1,000 off on each one, and then the same thing with Top Step. So hoping that by the end of the month we can take out at least $4,000, $1,000 on each account, and keep on building from there. Again, it's the daily lockout. I think it's great, especially for beginners. Other than that, I think that was it pretty much. The trade was, the winning trade for today actually went pretty well. It was done in like 10 minutes maybe. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So yeah, in 10 minutes I was able to make back the $126 loss and finish at $212 for the day. So not too bad. Just again, taking it slow. All these with micro contracts. So MNQ for all my trades. The max number of contracts is anywhere from 2 to 400. 2 to 4 contracts. And a loss of max $300 to $400 on the Apex, and max loss of $280, $275 on the Top Step. Top Step max number of contracts is probably like 2 to 3, because that one is also 3 accounts that I'm trying to get up there. So, but yeah, overall the week just been, I don't want to say like pretty flat. Again, red on Top Step, but we did pretty good on Apex. I think on Apex we ended up at like 600-700 for the week. Again, this account just a week, like about a week and a half ago, 2 weeks ago, it was about $100 away from blowing it, and I decided to slow down, get back to the basics, get back to my micro trading, and have been able to bring that back now, $2,300 into from drawdown, and yeah, I'm gonna just keep on growing it. I will be posting on other videos or whatever on like some of the strats that I'm taking, and if you guys like these type of videos, just subscribe, like, comment, let me know, like, if you have any other questions. Strategies I use, definitely supply and demand, break of trends, and I think like the one that everyone's on right now is like the 15-minute orb. Subscribe, like I said, and also join our Discord. It's a free Discord. At the moment, we have a lot of really good people, Snipe City, and yeah, you can join. There's always usually a lot of people on there, and just talking, playing, giving each other tips and advice and stuff like that. Like at the moment right now, Ryan took profit. He's kind of getting me into Forex, so let's see how that goes. But other than that, just take it easy, and if you're a new trader, beginner trader, just don't forget your risk management. Take small trades, and even if you have to take multiple, whatever, $50 profits every time, it adds up. If you want to think about it as a job, if you can make $50 an hour, which usually, like I said, like just today alone, I was able to make $212 in 10 minutes. I mean, that's more than what some people make in an hourly job. Anyways, so yeah, that's the recap for the week, and you guys have a great weekend. Any questions, any comments, anything like that, just let me know, and yeah, take it easy, guys.